Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So this was a video that we did a while back where we documented down about how the Solitude roof blew open in travel. And it was also with another customer as well that had a reflection in here that we did that video as well. So the guys are in the current process of tearing off all the roof membrane, and then they're gonna go back and inject the whole front. They're gonna inject the back corners, they're gonna inject the back cap. They're gonna make sure that all the sheeting is good and secure. We noticed that there was some sheeting that was flexing and stuff that, well, like either they missed a stud or maybe it broke the wood or something like that. I don't know, because we're not taking off the wood, but we're gonna go back and make sure that that's all secured properly and that there's no issues. If the guys find that there is something crazy, then they'll stop and get a hold of the customer and go from there, but should be a good deal. So anyways, we're getting replaced. Like I said, we're getting ready to replace the roof. We actually use Dicor roof products. So we've had issues with other brands in the past, and for certain things of like not gluing down correctly, blowing open in the wind. Well, we haven't, but that's been kind of across the USA, we'll say. So anyways, stay tuned for more. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the message and we'll try to reply back to you as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching.